Child, this is a messy commoner. Because this person is saying they didn't get a police report. And y'all, these police are really starting to do this. And you don't have to let them do it. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know who this is. It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. Welcome to my show, Order in the Court. You already know what time it is. You're supposed to email me, bookerlawfirm.com, with your question. I'm going to bring you to the court of my public opinion. I'm not your attorney. So, you can't look at this as legal advice. But I will give you my honest opinion, and I ain't going to play it. I'm going to tell you the truth, and I'm going to let you know what you need to do. Okay? More than likely, this is what you need to do. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lack and let's see what's up. I got into a fender bender the other day, and I was able to get the guy's information to file a claim on his insurance. The cops didn't show up until about an hour later and told me I didn't need to make a report, and it wasn't necessary, being that no one was hurt now. That I got the phone with the adjuster just a little bit ago. I was told the police report definitely helps the case. And if he doesn't get in touch with the policyholder, I might not get my car fixed. You are so true. You are so right, ma'am. If a police officer doesn't want to do his job, he needs to take that badge, okay, and his ass, and he needs to exit. When they tell you stuff like that, you immediately ask for a sergeant. You immediately ask for a sergeant, and you immediately call the non-emergency number. You let them know that he's trying not to do his job. Because at the end of the day, yes, ma'am, that happens a lot. They try to come and tell you that you don't need this and you don't need that, and did you already call and make a claim? And you find out days later after the person is gone that the insurance doesn't work, the insurance is no good, and or the insurance doesn't want to pay because you don't have a police report. Get a police report. I don't care what these officers tell you. They just be on their way to the donut shop and shit, and on their way to their girlfriend's house while they on the clock. Just joking, but I'm not. Allegedly. So I need to understand why they don't want to do their job. If that's their job and they're on patrol, then that's what they need to do. Or you need to get a sergeant involved. Don't you ever leave the scene of a car wreck without your information. There have been times that I have gotten in a car wreck. I have hit people, and not bad. But I remember I hit an elderly person one time, and he was like, well, there's nothing wrong with the car. It's okay. And we were downtown. I was leaving court trying to get the hell up out of that job I had. Too much going on that day. And I tapped that man in the back. Because he stopped real quick at a stoplight. But it don't matter. I should have controlled my speed. I'm going to fess up when I'm wrong. At the end of the day, that was my problem, right? He just did not want to do anything about it. And I was like, sir, you are, and I was like, I'm not trying to be rude, but you are elderly. Like, what if you start hurting, like, a week or 2 weeks down the line? I would feel so horrible. Just take my information. Okay, but just give me yours. I took his shit. He was like, why do you want my... Because I want it. Because if something is to happen with you, I need you to know that I'm not running from you. Here's all of my information. This is my office. This is where you can find me. Here's my insurance. And he did not want to take it. But y'all never know how you're going to feel later on down the line. And I forced that man and he never called. And thank God he was okay. But he was so shocked that I just would not let him go about his business. I didn't give a damn. I was not going to let him go. Like, he did not want to even pull over. I was like, sir, you are going to pull over. And he was like, why? You're fine. It's fine. No, it's not. Because I don't want the juju. I don't want the juju. Ma'am, always get all your ducks in a row. Get them lined up in a row. The reason that I didn't make him wait for an officer is because, hell, I don't want to take it. Shit. I don't want to take it. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to ensure that he had everything that he needed. I told him where to physically find me, where my office was, where I couldn't run. I told him I was a lawyer. I told him stuff. I showed him my bar license. I'm like, I'm a lawyer. I gave him my law card, my card for my business, so that he could find me if something happened. And if I tried to play with him, his insurance company definitely could find me. Everybody is not that honest, and that's why you need a police report. Next case. Don't you leave without.
Sitting here behind these walls. Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.